Guys in the band, are you up for like smashing along with us? If we play some stuff, can we like have a drum with us? Like, I know it's a bit impromptu, but it'd just be nice.
Are you up for it?
It's not always just me. Is that cool?
You'll recognise what we do anyway, you play along.
Oh, Pistols, yeah. We are Pistol and Jack. We're at Assembly, George Square, 9:20 every evening doing our rock pop mashups and comedy.
Our show is called Smash Glam Sex Music. We work together because how it all started was my background is in pop music. I'm from Orlando, Florida, USA.
I'm not from the United States of America.
And he's from London. And yeah, so but the thing is, my background's in pop, but I only know my pop songs. He only knows his rock songs. We're gonna go sing together at the same time. And the magic that happens, well.
It's what we'll put into if you come and see the full show at 9:20 at Assembly Gardens.
Yeah, exactly. So come check us out. We got friends who's gonna be giving you flyers and all that shit. But we're gonna start off right now. We need a little a beat. We got a drummer, but we also want you to clap along. So give us a little.
Work it. Square every evening. Come and see us.
Very good. I think